Hey there. Today, we're diving into an incredible world hidden inside all of us, our DNA. This tiny molecule doesn't just define who we are, it also tells the story of where we come from and where we might be going. So, what secrets are buried deep in our DNA? Let's find out. Part 1. What is DNA and how does it work? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's the molecule that carries all the genetic instructions in our cells. Our bodies have around 37 trillion cells, and every single one contains a copy of our DNA. It's shaped like a twisted ladder, also called the double helix, and it uses just four letters: A, adenine; T, thymine; G, guanine; and C, cytosine. These letters always pair the same way: A with T and G with C. This seemingly simple code defines every part of us. Think of it like computer code, but instead of ones and zeros, it uses A, T, G, and C. Part 2. What do genes do? Sections of DNA are called genes, and each gene has a job. One gene decides your eye color, another helps determine your height, another controls how your metabolism works. There are around 20,000 genes in the human genome, and here's the twist: only a small part of that DNA is actively used. The rest is often called junk DNA, but scientists think it may hold secrets we don't yet understand. Part 3. Inherited traits. What did you get from your family? You inherit half of your DNA from your mom and half from your dad. Some traits are dominant, like brown eyes, while others are recessive, like blue eyes. And it's not just physical traits. Your genetics might influence your intelligence, personality, or even your risk of depression. But remember, your environment and lifestyle also play a huge role. Part 4. What can genetic tests reveal? Today, a simple saliva sample can reveal a lot: where your ancestors came from, which foods your body processes better or worse, which sports you might naturally be better at. Some companies even offer custom diets and fitness plans based on your DNA. But be careful. Genetic tests show probabilities, not certainties. Genes are like a roadmap, not a destiny. Part 5. CRISPR and genetic engineering. Can we edit our DNA? Yeah, and it's already happening. CRISPR-Cas9 is a groundbreaking technology that lets scientists cut and paste parts of DNA, just like editing a text document. With CRISPR, we could fix inherited diseases, target cancer cells, maybe even design genetically enhanced humans someday. But that raises huge ethical questions. Part 6. Is our DNA data safe? When you send your DNA to a company, who owns that data? What if one day insurance companies or employers could access it? Imagine being rejected for a job because your genes show a risk of illness. That's why privacy laws and regulations are so important and still evolving. Part 7. The future of genetic science. What's next? Artificial intelligence will help decode DNA faster and more accurately. We'll see personalized medicine based on your unique genome. And perhaps we'll be able to edit embryos before birth to avoid disease or to choose traits. It sounds like science fiction, but it's already becoming reality. Still, no matter how far science goes, we must move forward with ethics and compassion. Conclusion: our DNA is more than a molecule. It's a blueprint of life, a history book, and a map of the future. If this video got you thinking, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments, Do you think DNA will shape our future? Until next time, stay curious and stay scientific.